#1 Hoofer Love, sharing tap love to help you surpass your personal best. All right, superstars, you know what we're doing. We're just warming up. Follow along. We'll see what happens as I go. All right, let's start here. Let's just do 4s, okay? All right, ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. Single forward, reverse it, single forward, and then how many double time? 1, 2, 3 double time in a stamp so you can do the other leg. Let's start with this leg first. 1, 2, here we go. Okay, so 4 regular, 4 with heels, 4 regular, then 3 with heels, and then stamp to do the other side, all right? Let's start with this leg first. 1, 2, here we go. Double heel on your last one, okay? And then on the other one, when you only have 3, you have single, all right? Okay, let's take it again. 1, this time I'm just gonna circle your slaps, inside back front, okay? All right, here we go. Start with this foot. 1, 2, proud of you. here we go. From here, double time, single time, double time. All right, here we go. Start with this foot. 1, 2, proud of you. Let's try the other side. All right? Okay, good. Let's speed it up. 1, 2, here we go. Other side. Let me see. Let me have, do I want to do all that effort on this little board? Okay, give me that. And then step, step, pull back, stamp. Okay. Okay, from here, hop on the same leg to do the other side. Okay? All right. Take a second, push pause if you need to and practice that. But other than that, let's hop straight into it. Let's jump on this leg first. 1, 2, here we go. Oh, I lied. You guys, good job. Give me this. 1, 2, here we go. All right, let me see. So you're going to put the first part on, and then you're going to do that little break part at the end. 1, 2, just follow me. 1, 2, here we go. All right, you guys. Let's do a fast shuffle. Okay, easy. 1, 2, here we go. wanting you right now to, I should be nice and let you go, but I feel like I should do something else first. Let's see. All right, you might get away. You might get away. Yeah, you'll get away. All right, you guys, just give me running flats, fast. 1, 2, here we go. Good, you guys. Okay, that's all we're going to do today, okay? That's all we're going to do. That's all we're going to do, all right? Do this 5 times this week. Repetition, drill it in. It'll be not muscle memory, but you'll remember it the more you do it, so you won't have to listen or follow with me or whatever. But practice, practice, dance, dance, dance. Repetition makes you a beast. All right, you guys, I love you so much. Remember, there is no one better than you. You are so spectacular. You are divine. You are unique. So just do your best every day and do whatever you need to do to surpass your personal best so you can become the best tap dancer that you choose to be. All right, you guys, I love you so much. Love yourself, love everyone. Charon Tap Star out. Number 1 Hoopers, let's go. Remember, no one starts at number 1. You have to work for it. Number 1 Hoopers, let's go. Show your appreciation. Like this video now.